Amazon profits not where you want them to be? And are you struggling to rank while you keep the cost down? Well, what if I told you that there was a way to boost your profitability and your ranking at the same time? That's right. PPC might be just the secret weapon you've been searching for. Now stick around because I'm about to show you some game-changing strategies for 2024 that could transform your Amazon business. Hi, I'm Juana from the Trivium Group, and today we're going to talk about how to wisely plan your ranking strategy in order for you to hit page one while improving your profitability. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the world of Amazon ranking. I'll show you exactly how to utilize PPC to climb your way up to page number one. And trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. But first, let's talk why actually ranking is so important. So when you say ranking on Amazon, we're talking about where your products show when shoppers are searching for them. Let me tell you, positions is everything. When it comes to shopping on Amazon, we know that in average 75 to 80% of clicks happen on the page one, top of page one. So if you're not there, you're missing out on a ton of potential sales. So why you should care about ranking? Well, for starters, it makes you less dependent on the cost of the PPC sales in the long run. And it can skyrocket your sales like nothing else. And of course, the profitability. Now, it gives you serious edge when it comes to overcoming your competition, but most importantly, remember that visibility equals more revenue. I know what you're thinking. That's great, but how do I actually do it? Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm about to share with you my exact strategy for utilizing PPC to boost your organic ranking in the same method that I help countless sellers crush it on Amazon. Ready to take your Amazon game to the next level? Let's dive in. Now let's talk about how ranking on Amazon actually works. And it's not anymore about just throwing some money at the ads and hoping for the best. The time where you would just set some automatic campaigns and let them run has long passed. Nowadays, Amazon algorithm has evolved, and as we know, it bases everything, and whenever you need to win a placement, it actually calculates the one with the highest likelihood of a conversion. Plus, for many categories, competition has increased, changing completely the Amazon environment for every seller. But don't worry, I got a simple step-by-step process that consists of 7 steps. And here's my foolproof method for climbing those rankings. 1, start with the killer keyword research. We got options here. You can either utilize the tool, and there are many very good tools out there, or you can go directly to your brand analytics and utilize the search query performance report. Both will uncover those golden keywords that your customers are actually utilizing when searching for products that are similar to yours or related to yours. Here is the key though. Make sure that you wisely choose the keywords and not only make the choice based on the search volume, but make sure that you have a combination and a balance between relevancy, which is the key, and the search volume. We want to make sure that at all times we choose and select only keywords that are relevant to our product and that our shoppers can relate to when searching for our product. Number 2, optimize, optimize, optimize. Yes, and I'm talking here about both the front end and the back end of your listings. And why it is so important. We need to make sure at all times that your listings on Amazon are fully optimized, correctly indexed for all the relevant keywords, and have all the attributes in the back end in order for your products to show up when shoppers are searching for it. But also make sure that the listings are very nicely designed, both from a front end standpoint, and I'm talking here about the media assets, right? We want to make sure that we have good imagery, good videos, A+ or premium A+, and the brand story showing up at all times. Plus, make sure that your reviews are also top-notch when compared to those of competitors. Number 3, build your battle plan. You need a way to track your keywords ranking, and understanding how your PPC impacts the organic rank and how to measure the halo effect it gets will allow you to wisely plan the next bidding strategy. Choose your target rank. So pick the keyword that you want to make sure that you dominate. This will be your main battlefield, and make sure that it will be the keyword that defines your product the most. On average, the keywords with the highest search volume is not necessarily the one with the highest relevancy to your product. And in the long run, it also turns out they're not even the most profitable one. So choose wisely the main keyword that you want and start planning to go after. Launch your secret weapon. Now, time for those single keyword campaigns. This is where the magic will all happen. You need to start by implementing the keywords, targeting only the keyword that you want to go after, making sure that you avoid other terminology to it, but most importantly, do not mix and match all the match types. So you want to have one campaign for each match type targeting that specific keyword. And when it comes to placement optimization, make sure that you don't miss that. Now, hold the line. Once that you hit that sweet spot in the ranking, hold steady for an average of 4 weeks. Patience, in this case, is the key. Last but not least, the seventh step is going to be where you actually take your foot off the gas. And yes, finally, tapering down in your ad spend because you've built momentum, you let the organic sales take over, you have great visibility for your organic. So at this point, you can start decreasing the advertising spend on that specific keyword and let the traffic go to your organic page, which of course will have a tremendous impact on your profits. But make sure you do that as you're still closely monitoring, making sure that the decrease that you are doing is not affecting also your ranking. Remember, the key to Amazon's success in 2024 is a combination of smart PPC strategies and a listing that converts like crazy. It's not just about investing in advertising. It's about being strategic, patient, and constantly optimizing. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to ranking on Amazon? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips and tricks. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep ranking, and keep crushing it on Amazon. This is Juana signing off. See you on page 1.